Hi, hello friend. Welcome back to Explore Knowledge. In this post, we are going to reveal why some airplanes are sprayed with water as they land. Did you know about that? No, it is not used to wash or clean airplanes. No one knows exactly when and where did water salutes in airport start. It will know though that back to the days of the ocean liners. It was common for fireboats spray them with their water cannon when they are leaving or entering a port. So, water salute is not unique to airplanes alone, and it is also given for ships as well. The idea must have come from there. Water salutes began being a common practice in the 1990s when Salt Lake City International Airport started saluting retiring Delta Airlines pilots by creating a water arch beneath which the aircraft would pass. For a new airline company operating out of the airport for the first time. For a new airplane operating commercially for the first time, if the captain of the airplane or an ATC member is retiring, if the airline is closing down the route and it is the last flight of that airline from that particular airport. This is the few reasons why spraying water when airplane they land. While most water salutes are performed when an airplane retires, they can also be performed for other purposes. If an airline captain is retiring, for example, the airline may honor him or her by blasting water over the airplane of their final flight. When an airline is shutting down, it may perform the water salute on its final flight as well. It was an emotional ceremony that marked the end of a highly influential company in the aviation industry. The water salute is not restricted to airplanes. It is also performed on ships. When a ship retires, firefighting boats position themselves around the dock. Once the ship returns to the dock, the firefighting boats blast water over it. I have here some example. As the Trump plane took off the LaGuardia Airport in New York City, it received a water cannon salute. It is a ceremonial gesture in which fire trucks spray arch of water as a plane takes off in a sign of respect. They are often reserved for honoring military service or for new or retiring planes. Second one, water salute for the first Air India Express flight from Mumbai to Vijayawada. Third one, in Chennai, a pleasant surprise for passengers and the pilot of the Air India flight from Port Blair as it touched down Chennai. The air traffic controller instructed the pilot to turn into a particular taxi track. Moments later, water from two fire tenders hit the flight for a water cannon salute, honoring the pilot Captain Sebastian Joseph, who would retire the next day after a 33-year-long tenure with the airline. It was a sign of flight. His wife, Michelle, a senior cabin crew, was on duty on the same flight, and his son Karan, a pilot with another airline, was on board too as a passenger to make it special. None of them knew this was planned. It was an emotional moment I did not accept. Such a big surprise. My colleagues and my students put together a fabulous standoff. Captain Sebastian has trained and groomed around 100 pilots. 3 were on the flight. Passengers also got to hear about his contribution from them. I hope this is interesting for you. Thank you for watching.